I'm working in After Effects and I want a quick way to find a specific effect or animation preset or even a menu command without actually going to different panels and menus to find where it's located. How do I do that?
Dude, to quickly search and apply any effect, animation preset, or menu command, first make sure your version of After Effects is 26.2 or newer. This means you have a feature called Quick Apply. Select one or more layers and click on this icon in the timeline panel, or simply press Ctrl-Enter or Command Return to open the Quick Apply dialog box. And without clicking on anything, you can start typing your search right away. If you want to control what categories appear in the search results, click on the settings icon and select the correct category. If you want the Quick Apply dialog box to always open at the current cursor location, check this box right here. Now when you select an item and press Enter, it will be applied to the selected layers. Some effects and presets don't require the layers to be selected and can be used with modifier keys to create new solid layers or adjustment layers. You're welcome.